Hello there, let's talk today about the Vimtag camera SD card recording. As you can see, I have a mini G3 cam and I have an SD card here. Then I'm going to insert it into the camera and set it up for recording. So this is the SD card that I'm using here. This is a SanDisk Extreme, 128 gig and U3, okay? I'll leave the link here in the description. So basically you need to insert this into the camera. Let's just move this box away. And here's the camera. Down here, you see this is slot for the card. You just need to open it up like this and insert your card, okay? Here's the position that I'm going to insert the card. You put it away and you just push it, okay? You close it here and you're ready to go. Now you just need to turn on your camera. So you get your power cable and connect to your camera. Now you just wait for the camera to boot up. It takes some time. So let's just wait. So here we go. When I hear a click on the camera, that means the camera is up. And now I bring my cell phone and here I see the image of the camera, right? Let's just click here, put the camera in a different position so you can see back there. Here we go. Now we have it, right? And let's just come here to the settings. So basically here you go to settings. And you're gonna find the information about your SD card. Make sure the SD card is good here. So here you can see the status of the SD card. That's normal, the capacity, and is active. It's enabled there. You can format if you want to. It's not my case here, right? So everything is good here with the SD card. And now you come here to record. And this is important. You need to enable the recording here. The continuous record is off. I'll just enable it here. And here is the schedule. It's going to work every day, 0 to 24. Motion detection is off. I'm also going to enable it here all day long. The same for sound detection. If you want to work with sound detection, so the camera start recording when detects sound, and here for human detection. Save here. And I'm good to go, okay? So now my camera is going to work like this, recording to the SD card. And when there's some recording there, I'll be able to see here later, all right? As long as I have some recording there, I see just right here, recorded. And I can also use the cloud storage if I want to, but for the SD card, it's simple as that, okay? So now you know how to use your Vimtag camera with the SD card, and you're good to go, okay? If you like this video, please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments, and I see you in the next one.